Hello everyone. The former Umkhonto weSizwe Party leader Jabulani Khumalo reportedly tried to get sworn in as a member of parliament on Tuesday, but his attempt was shut down by the National Assembly. Khumalo was set to attend the inaugural session of the National Assembly last week, but he was removed at the request of former President Jacob Zuma's MK Party. Khumalo then took urgent legal action in the Western Cape High Court, seeking reinstatement on the party's parliamentary list. But this was dismissed by the court, with Judge Derek Phil ruling that his application lacked urgency. However, this did not stop Khumalo from trying to get sworn in as Member of Parliament on Tuesday when his former party members took the oath. In a letter to Jabulani Khumalo circulated on the X app, Secretary to the National Assembly, Xaso Masibulele, dismissed Khumalo's request. The letter stated, "Your name does not appear on our membership list, and as such, no arrangements will be made for you to travel to Cape Town for swearing in as a member of the National Assembly. Access to the parliamentary precinct will also not be granted. You may raise any issues you have in this regard with the designated party signatory, Mr. Sihle Ngubane." Meanwhile, Dr. Hlophe said the Umkhonto weSizwe Party is looking forward to engaging Parliament in a robust yet respectful manner, but they will not allow anyone to bully them on issues they stand for. He said they have come to Parliament to work but won't be bullied. "We have come here to work. We've been elected and we will do our best to stay above petty politics. We are not here to be petty. We are here to work because we have been elected by people of this country. We are going to engage in very robust debate, but in a respectful manner. But please make no mistake, we are not going to allow ourselves to be bullied by anyone. We know our rights, we are adults. We know why we are here." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.